Hello everyone. This is Nagalakshmi Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, IIE, Hyderabad. Now probability distribution. There are two types of probability distributions are there. First one is binomial distribution and second one is the Poisson distribution. Third one is normal distribution. In this concept, binomial distribution has mean variance of binomial distribution and Poisson distribution as a limiting case of binomial distribution and the mean variance of Poisson distribution. Normal distribution has mean variance mode median of normal distribution. Now first starts with the probability distributions are two types. That is the previous one is a complete syllabus of probability distribution. Now this is the first concept. There are two types of probability distributions are there. First one is discrete probability distribution and second one is continuous probability distribution. In discrete probability distribution, there are three types. First one is Bernoulli distribution. Second one is binomial distribution. Third one, Poisson distribution. Similarly, continuous probability distribution has only one type is there, that is normal distribution. First one, discrete probability distribution, three types, Bernoulli's binomial Poisson. In first one, Bernoulli distribution has a random variable x is said to have a Bernoulli's distribution with a parameter p. If its probability mass function, here we are using probability mass function is given by p of x equal to x. Probability mass function means always we are using the discrete. Discrete means here we are using mass function. Maybe if it is continuous, we are using density function. In this here it is p of the Bernoulli's distribution function formula is p of x equal to x. X is a random variable. X equal to p power x into 1 minus p to the power of n minus x. Here x equal to 0 up to so on n. 0, 1, 2 up to so on n variables. And 0 remaining all are zeros. Otherwise, if we are considering 0 to n only, that is the function is p power x into 1 minus p into n minus x. Otherwise, remaining all are zeros. If the parameter of p, this p has a parameter, that parameter is always fixed with 0 to 1 in between. The probability is always lies between 0 and 1. For example, the probability, the value is above 1, that is not a probability. If it is less than 0, that is also not a probability function. This is the Bernoulli's distribution function. Next, Bernoulli's properties. Let small n represents the number of trials. Here they are mentioned number of trials and x is number of success. N is represented by the trials and x is number of success. The following condition should be satisfied. First one, there are only two possible outcomes for each trial. Here we are considering any head or tail, any head or tail or dice, anyone we can consider that one. There are only two possible outcomes for each trial, arbitrarily called success and failure. If anyone, we can choose either dice or coin, anyone. If anyone, they are given only two trials. That one is success and another one is failure. In success indicated by P and failure indicated by Q. That is the first property of the Bernoulli's distribution. Second one, the probability of the success is the same for each trial. We are considering here each one is a success trial. If a trial is completed, then it is considered as success. There are n trials where n is constant. Here we are choosing n trials means, for example, the n equal to 10. The number of trials are 10. That is the n. Then it is a constant number. Next, fourth one, that the n trials are independent. All trials are independent. If first trial is compared to the second trial or third trial, it is not necessary. Each and every one is independent. Trials satisfying these conditions are called Bernoulli's trials. The trials satisfies each and every condition, then the conditions are called Bernoulli's trials. If these conditions are not satisfied, the theory which is studied is not applied. If these conditions not satisfied, then it is not studied in the Bernoulli's distribution. Always we are studied in Bernoulli's distribution. That means each and every trial has individual. Okay, these are the properties of the Bernoulli's. And next condition is binomial distribution. Next, second one, discrete probability distribution. The second one is binomial distribution. Probability function of a binomial distribution. A random variable x is said to have a binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values. If it is assumes only non-negative, that is not equal to positive values. Non-negative is different and positive values are different. Non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by. Here we are using discrete probability distribution. That's why we are considering probability mass function is given by P of x equal to x. NCX. NCX is a combination parameter. P power x into Q power n minus x. Here, permutations and combinations. Permutations is different and combinations is NCX. NCX is nothing but n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. NCX is nothing but n factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial. And P power x into Q power n minus x. Here P is nothing but success and Q is nothing but failure. Sometimes we are considering P is failures and Q is success depending upon the given conditions. And finally, x equal to 0, 1 to up to so on. Up to so on means it is n maybe. Okay, next, remaining all are zeros. 0 and n have the numbers and remaining we are choosing any other values, that is 0. That is nothing but 0. Here, P plus Q equal to 1. Success plus failure is nothing but 1. Sometimes we are we need only Q means 1 minus P. Sometimes we need P means 1 minus Q. Here P is success distribution, the successive distribution, and Q is failure distribution. Sometimes it will be changed. Nothing an issue. Okay, this is the probability binomial distribution formula. NCX into P power x into Q power n minus x is the binomial distribution formula. In binomial distribution, we are considering here NCX into P power x into Q power n minus x. Simply the summation of P of x equal to 1. How we get this one? The solution of P in summation P of x equal to 1, the solution is, for example, I am choosing x equal to 0 to n. I am considering here x equal to 0 to n, x equal to 0 to n, P of x. What is P of x here? It is summation x equal to 0 to n. P of x means already we know binomial distribution formula, NCX into P power x into Q power n minus x. Summation x equal to 0 to n, NCX. The summation we are expanding that one, that is here I am expanding this one here, that is x equal to 0. First of all, substituting x equal to 0 and NC 0 P power x equal to, we are choosing first is 0 and Q power n minus 0 plus NC1 P power 1, summation expansion x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. Then Q power n minus 1 plus NC2 P power 2 Q power n minus 2 plus up to so on plus NCn P power n Q power n minus n. Then that equal to NC naught value is 1. That is 1. P power 0 is 1. And Q power n plus NC1 P power 1 is nothing but P plus NC2 P square Q power n minus 2 plus up to so on plus n is NCn means it is 1. Then P power n into Q power n minus n, that is Q power 0. Q power 0 value is 1. The total this one. This is nothing but this is nothing but P Q plus P power n expansion. A plus B whole power n binomial expansion. I am using that one. That is here P plus Q equal to 1. Already we know earlier it is P plus Q equal to 1. That's why I am using here P plus Q equal to 1. 1 power n, that equal to 1. Simply we get summation P of x equal to 1. That is the condition. Always we are using this P of x equal to 1 in future also. That is that one we get like this. That one we get like this. What is the P plus Q whole power n expansion is? First of all, okay, that is in, we can see the next session, next topic. Next, here in binomial distribution we are considering mean, variance, standard deviation, all are in same in earlier method. In mean of the binomial distribution, that statement is the binomial probability distribution is given by E of x equal to mu equal to summation x into p of x equal to x, that equal to summation x equal to 0 to n x into p of x. That means p of x is ncx, p power x into q power n minus x, that equal to np. That is the final solution. We can solve this np. Here by using binomial distribution. What is binomial distribution? ncx p power x into q power n minus x. This is the binomial distribution. By mean mu and expectation e of x, the formula is always is x into p of x. Here x is this one, p of x is this one completely. Then now expansion. E of x equal to mu equal to summation x into p of x equal to x, that equal to summation x equal to 0 to n x into formula. This formula. This is combination formula. Just simply I am eliminating one term. For example, I am considering n factorial means n minus 1 factorial into n. We are writing like this also. For example, n plus 1 factorial means you consider n factorial into n plus 1. Like this, here I am considering ncx means I am choosing one term where I am eliminating one individual term, that is n minus x into c x minus 1 into remaining term, that is here n minus 1, that is remaining ncx n into n by x, n by x. Just I am eliminating one individual term, not eliminating, I am outside the combination method, that is n by x, separating this one. That means here x equal to 0 to n. X equal to 0 to n means x values are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on n terms. Totally how many terms are there? Here it is 0 to n means n plus 1 terms. Here we are separating one term. That means how many terms? That is n terms. That's why I am considering x equal to 1 to n terms. Here that's why I am considering x equal to 1 to n terms. Here, x equal to 0 to n terms, I am separating one individual term, that is n by x. That means we get x equal to 1 to n. Then here it is, we are considering x into ncx, summation x equal to 1 to n. I am separating one term, that's why I am considering x equal to 1 to n. X is as it is x. N6 term we are separating one term, that is n by x. Regular notation, n minus remaining term x minus x. Here we are not using c. In brackets we are not considering c. If it is not in brackets term, we are using c. Then p also I am splitting in two subparts. That is p power x, we are considering p into p power x minus 1. For example, p into p power x minus 1 means bases equal, we are adding powers, that is 1 plus x minus 1. We get again p of x. That's why I am splitting into two subparts. Next to q power n minus x. That means summation x equal to n, x equal to 1 to n, x get cancelled. N and p are constants, separating outside, that is np. And remaining n minus 1 into x minus 1, p power x minus 1 into q power n minus x. Then here we know the Pascal formula, that is 1 1 1 1 1 1, like this. This 1 we are adding these two ones, then we get 2. These 2 are, we get 3. These 2 are, we get 3. Next 1 1, these 2 are 4, these 2 are 6, these 2 are 4. In binomial expansion, in Pascal formula, a plus b whole square means the coefficients of a plus b is 1 2 1. That is 1 2 1. P starts with a in higher degree and b starts with lower degree. Continuously a reduces to lower and b continuously in increasing order. That means a square b power 0 plus a, it is gradually decreases in a, gradually increases in b. That means a power 1, b power 1 plus a power 0 and b square. That is a square, b power 0 value is 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square. How many terms are there? A plus b whole square. This totally 3 terms are there. And similarly, this is a plus b whole cube. That is a plus b whole cube. In the quotients are 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Now a starts with the higher term. That is 3. Higher degree. That is 3. Higher order. Next, b power 0. Next, a gradually decreases. B gradually increases. So that is 1 plus a power 1 and b power 2 plus next this is a gradually decreases, that is 0, b gradually increases, this one cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is a plus b whole cube. Next, up to so on, for example, a plus b whole power n means this method is a difficulty. That's why we are introducing, using a plus b whole power n is binomial expansion method. For example, a minus b whole square means we are using here it is alternative plus minus. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. For example, this is a minus b whole cube means plus, minus, plus, minus. Like that. This is the Pascal method, and by binomial expansion is, earlier also I am using simply binomial expansion. Here also I am using binomial expansion. Next problems also we are using binomial expansion. That's why I completed that part here. That is the binomial expansion is a plus b whole power n equal to nc naught. A power gradually we starts with a higher order, then onwards it decreases. A power n. B starts with 0 onwards. 0 gradually increases. nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b square plus up to so on plus ncn a power 0 b power n. This is nothing but a plus b whole power n. Similarly, in area also, here that is the formula. nc naught p power 0 q power n plus nc1 p power 1 into q power n minus 1 plus nc2 p square into q power n minus 2 plus up to so on ncn p power n into q power 0. That means q plus p whole power n. Here p plus q equal 1, then 1 power n equal to 1. Similarly, here also we are using that one. Here the expansion is p plus p to the power of n minus x minus 1 and q power n minus x. n minus 1 c n minus 1 x minus 1. Then that is p plus q whole power n minus 1 terms. Here total n, how many terms are here? It is n plus 1 terms are there. In this expansion, it is only n expansions, n terms. N terms are there. Here it is n plus, here it is totally n plus 1 terms. Here it is only n terms. That's why it is p plus q whole power n minus 1 is there. Then np into, that means here it is np into this total, we are using p plus q whole power n minus 1. Then np into p plus q whole power n minus 1, p plus q, we know 1 to the power of n minus 1 is always, it is np. Always 1p. This is the binomial, mean of the binomial distribution formula. That is np. Here mean mu equal to, what is the binomial of mean is np. The final value is np. Okay. This is the binomial distribution by using the binomial formula. Mean of the binomial is always np. Next, variance. Variance is nothing but sigma square, that equal to summation x minus mu whole square into p of x, that equal to summation of x minus mu whole square into n6. Already the variance is e of x square minus e of x whole square. That is also written as like this. Okay. Sometimes we are using this also. That is our choice. So we are using x minus mu whole square ncx p power x into q power n minus x. Otherwise, this is also. Here the variance of the binomial distribution is npq. Mean of the binomial distribution is np and variance of the binomial distribution is npq. We are finding this one. Now v of x equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square, that equal to npq. First of all, sigma square equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. That is the condition. Now substitutions. Here summation x equal to 0 to n e of x square, that means x square p of x. This formula is summation of x equal to 0 to n x square p of x minus summation of x equal to 0 to n summation of x equal to, this is nothing but mu square simply, into, now this one is x square into p of x, ncx p power x into q power n minus x, then minus summation of mu square, that is this completely it is mu square, that mu square is nothing but already we know that is np square. Now the expansion of this one, summation of x equal to 0 to n, here x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x, that means x into x minus 1 plus x means x into x square minus x plus x, we get again x square. Why? Because here x square term, that is 2 power, the degree is 2, the power is 2, that's why we need two individual terms. That is, first one is x into x minus 1 term and another one is x. Then here it is into ncx p power x into q power n minus x into n square p square. Then that equal to summation x equal to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into ncx p power x into q power n minus x is the first term, and another term I am already told this one. We are splitting into two parts. Summation x equal to 0 to n x into ncx p power x into q power n minus x minus n square p square. Earlier this condition is satisfied. X into ncx p power x into q power n minus x. That is nothing but finally we get np. By using mean of binomial distribution, this part is np. Simply this part is np. And the remaining we are calculating only this part. This is nothing but np. This part is nothing but np minus n square p square. And here this is nothing but summation x equal to 0 to n x into x minus 1 into, I am splitting into two parts. In earlier we see one part is eliminated, one part is separated, then x equal to 1 to n. Here I am separating in two parts. Why? Because this is x into x minus 1. That's why I am separating in two terms, that is n into n minus 1 by x into x minus 1 into n minus 2 cx minus 2 and p power 2 into p power x minus 2 and q into n minus x. Total this is x into x minus 1 get eliminated. Remaining is summation of x equal to 2 to n into n minus 1 into nc2 x minus 2 q p square into q power p power, that is p power x minus 2 q power n minus x plus np minus n square p square. Here outside terms are n into n minus 1 into p square. The remaining terms are x equal to 2 to n n minus 2 x minus 2 into x power p power x minus 2 into q power n minus x plus np minus n square p square. Then n into n minus 1 p square into this total is nothing but p plus q whole power n minus 2 by using binomial distribution formula, binomial expansion formula, plus np minus n square p square. That is nothing. Here it is 1, total 1, n into n minus 1 p square. This is 1 power n minus 2. The total is 1 plus np minus n square p square. Then this is n square p square, np square plus np minus n square p square. These two terms are cancelled. What about next one? Minus np. Next, minus np square plus np. Here we are considering n square, n into n square p square, it cancel. Okay, cancel. Next here np minus n square p square is also written as plus n into P can be written as, okay, next we are common with NP in this total term, NP into P minus 1, that is nothing but Q, NPQ. Then here it is minus P plus 1. Already we know P plus Q equal to 1. Then P equal to 1 minus the 1 minus Q, and Q equal to 1 minus P. Then this is NPQ. Finally we get NPQ. Just minus NP square plus NP, we are simply common with NP into NP term, that is minus P plus 1. Then that is equal to nothing but a Q. Then this is the variance of the binomial distribution. That is variance of the binomial distribution. Mean of the binomial distribution is mu equal to NP, and variance of the binomial distribution is NPQ. Similarly, the standard deviation sigma equal to square root of NPQ. Standard deviation of sigma equal to square root of NPQ. Next, mode of the binomial distribution. P of x plus 1 equal to, the mode of the binomial distribution like this. That is, P of x plus 1 equal to n minus x by x plus 1 P by Q into P of x. Sometimes we are using P of x plus 1 by P of x is nothing but n minus x by x plus 1 into P by Q. Here always we know the P of x formula in binomial distribution. Mode of the binomial distribution. That's why I am using binomial distribution method. P of x equal to ncx into P power x into Q power n minus x. Similarly, P of x plus 1. I am using these two, P of x plus 1 by P of x. We get simply this one. P of x plus 1 equal to ncx plus 1 into P power x plus 1 into Q power n minus of x plus 1. In equation 1 and 2, we are just simply we are writing like this, 2 by 1, that is P of x plus 1 by P of x. That total simplification we get n minus x by x plus 1 into Q by P by Q. Okay, how we get? Now this is P of x plus 1, P of x plus 1, that is NC x plus 1 into P power x plus 1 into Q power n minus of x plus 1 by NCx P power x into Q power n minus x. Here we are writing as NCx plus 1 into P into P power x, and Q equal to Q n minus x plus 1 by NCx into P power x into Q power n minus x. Here we are writing as n minus x into one part and Q equal to minus x. P power x into these total terms are cancelled. Okay, remaining are NCx plus 1 into P Q power n minus 1 by NCx. That means NCx that equal to NCx plus 1 by NCx into P by Q. Here NCx plus 1 by NCx we get n minus x by x plus 1 that equal to that into P by x. Total, this is the expansion. Now this is the mode of the binomial distribution function formula. It is fixed one. Mode of the binomial means P of x plus 1 by P of x equal to n minus x by x plus 1 into P by Q. That's all. By example, one simple example is there. That is, in binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent tiles. Simply, they are using in 5 independent tiles. How many tiles are there? Total it is 5. That is nothing but n. The probabilities of 1 and 2 successes are, the first success is 0.4096 and the second success is 0.2048 respectively. That means P of x equal to 1, P of x equal to 2. That is P of x equal to 1 and P of x equal to 2 respectively. Then number of n equal to tile, and that means n equal to 5. Simply n equal to 5. How many tiles are there? Totally 5 independent tiles are there. First success is, that is P of x equal to 1 is 0.4096 and second success is 0.2048. Find the parameter P of the distribution. Here they are asking parameter P. In earlier it is P of x plus 1 by P of x equal to n minus x by x plus 1 into P by x. Here they are asking this parameter P. That's why here using mode of the binomial distribution formula. That is P of x plus 1 by P of x equal to n minus x by x plus 1 into P by Q. Then in this condition, P of x plus 1 is nothing but here it is 0.2048 by 0.4096 is the 96 is the P of x. That is P of x equal to x plus 2. This is x plus 2. This is x plus 1. This is x equal to x. This is x. Then remaining n equal to 5. We know x value x plus 1. That means here 1 we are adding 1 by 1. That's why here x equal to 1. Thereby 1 plus 1 into P and Q. We don't know the P and Q values. That is P by Q. That means this total. Here we are calculating simply. This is 5 minus 1 means 4. 4 by 2 that is 2. 2P by Q. Q can be written as 1 minus P. Why? Because here they are asking only P, not in Q. Simply we are changing Q equal to 1 minus P. That is here 0.5 is the simplification value. That remaining 1 minus P equal to 2P. Then 0.5 minus 0.5 P equal to 2P. That equal to 0.5 equal to 2P plus 0.25 P. That equal to 0.5 equal to something 2.5 P. That total P equal to 0.2. Similarly, and Q equal to we get 0.8. How we get means 1 minus Q equal to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus 0.2. That equal to 0.8. Simply P also, P is 0.2. They are asking only P value. That P value equal to 0.2. Simply we are finding the Q also, that is 0.8. Now that much of use this one. They are asking only P value, that is 0.2. Here N is already given 5. X means 1. Here X is 1. X is equal to 1. They are given simply X equal to 1. What about next X plus 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. That's why you get 2. That is P of X plus 2, X plus 1 equal to P of 2. P of 2 by P of 2 by P of 1 equal to, this is N means 5. 5 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. Here P is we don't know. And Q means 1 minus P. 1 minus P. Then P of 2 value is 0.204048 and Q value is 0.4026 and 5 is 5 minus 1 means it is 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means it is 2. 2 into P by 1 minus P. Where cross multiplying this method, this is 0.5 equal to 0.5 into P 1 minus P into 2P. Then simplification. This is the total simplification. Then P value equal to 0.2 and Q equal to 0.8. This is the mode of the binomial distribution one problem. If mode of the binomial distribution is P of x plus 1 by P of x, sometimes they are given only P of x plus 1. They are given P value and Q value and N value, but sometimes they are not given P of x value. Simply we are finding this formula. We are finding P of x also by using this method. If we need P of x value means they are given P and Q also. Simply substituting P value equal to 0.2 and Q equal to 0.8 and N value, X value we know. Then simplified these total condition, we get simply P of x. Sometimes P of x they are given, P of x plus 1 they are not given. We are calculation that also. This is total mode of the binomial distribution. Here total probability distribution. Probability distribution is binomial distributions are discrete probability distributions are two types. Probability distributions are two types. Discrete probability distribution, continuous probability distribution. Discrete probability distributions are three types. Bernoulli's distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. continuous probability distribution or normal distribution. In here, we are first choosing the Bernoulli. Next, binomial. Binomial distribution is NCX into P power X into X into Q power N minus X. In mean of the binomial distribution is NP, and the variance of the binomial distribution is NPQ. And mode of the binomial distribution is P of X plus 1 by P of X equal to N minus X by X plus 1 into P by Q. This is the mode of the binomial distribution. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.